Hello everyone, welcome to Search Engine Journaling Part 3. So a quick recap. I wrote a short passage, paragraph, journaling on something of interest to me, inspired by the class. I created a search query. I Googled the search query. I took a look at the results, and I'm going to tell you what the next step is. The goal here, often we start with an idea for Google, for searching. We go on the internet, we spend maybe 30 seconds formulating the idea, and then we spend maybe 10 minutes on the internet, and it's really gotten lost, the original idea. It becomes fainter and fainter. And the goal here is to spend about as much time inside thinking about your idea as you spend on the internet to create more of a balance. So what I did is I really took a look at my results. I got a sense of how close I am. I got kind of close. I took a look here and I said, let me do another journal entry. So I did another journal entry, and my goal here is to really clarify what I'm trying to search for. And really, how close am I is one way to clarify how close are my searches. So I wrote another short entry here. I'm interested in how the emergence and adoption of the internet changes the culture, practices, mission, and identity of specific organizations. Notice I decided to went from ITP to organizations, particularly organizations of higher learning, and organizations that have an identity and a mission that is in some way alternative. It's almost like I'm having a conversation with Google. This is my inner dialogue. I translate it into Google speak, Google language, and then Google says, "Is this what you're looking for?" And then I say, "Well, let me try to rephrase it." And I've clarified what I'm interested in. And then I take a look at my first search result, my first search string, my two journal entries, and based on that I come up with a second search string right here. I put it right here. I hit copy. I go back. I'm going to get rid of all this, although I might bookmark it if this wasn't a demonstration. And I'm going to put into Google my second search term, and I'm going to take a look. All right, let's see what's interesting. What's of interest here? So let me show you here. Internet, organization, cultural and social. I decided to put that in because I thought that would most likely be in the articles I'm interested in. Impact is new. Change is new. Medium, message, technology. I decided to put in case study, mission, and identity. So I really changed the search terms here. I added case study because I thought I'm really looking for a case study of an organization or a university. I'm just going to open a few of these and see what we have here. Top 5 social cause trends, representations, practices in digital museums. So let's just take a look at these. Making the public count, a comparative case study of emergent information technology-based publics. Okay, it could be somewhat of interest, maybe in the ballpark. Top 5 social cause trends. I'd put this in the category of looks fascinating. It could easily suck me into something other than what I was originally looking for. Let's take a look at this. Representational practices in digital museums, a case study of the National Digital Museum Project of Taiwan. This is rather interesting. This is as close as we've probably come. It's not about higher education, but it is about a type of organization and its impact. The impact of migration from museum artifacts to the digital domain. So I've hit the 5-minute mark, so we're going to continue this in video 4.